This old thing needs to go. Want to replace your old shower head with something fancier? This is an easy do-it-yourself job. Let's go. A couple things we must have will need a wrench, which I like this adjustable locking wrench, and plumber's tape. With this wrench, I lock it into the handle and rotate counterclockwise. Be careful you don't put a strain on the pipe that's coming from the wall. If you damage or break this, this will not be good. One move, and now I can get it off by hand. This one had a washer or a water restrictor still attached. You'll want to remove it. Now you'll want to take off the old plumber's tape. Just like you don't want to see the old plumber's smile, you don't want to see any tape. Sometimes you can get the tape off by hand, but this was on pretty good, so I decided to use a wire brush to gently remove the tape. The new shower head has a new restrictor for California water conservation. Now I just need to put on some new plumber's tape. I like to go around twice tightly and wrap it clockwise because this is the motion for tightening the new head on. The new kit came with 3 washers. You have to insert the rubber washer and make sure it sits all the way down.
Next one you're doing.
I'll screw the head on by hand tightening. I'm going to tighten it slightly using the towel so I don't scratch the chrome. I'll turn this carefully about 1/4 twist. And I'll do this a second time. Again, you don't want to make this too tight and damage the wall pipe, and in this case, the new shower head. For the bottom connection, I used plumber's tape again and broke off a piece about 2 inches. And I'll tighten this up carefully, not making it too tight to damage the fitting. Some of these fittings are plastic and some are made of metal. Obviously, plastic will break easier. The head, I'll hand tighten. A quick water test to see if there are any leaks. If visually you can't see anything, it's good to touch around the fitting to see if you feel any water coming out. Looks good, no leaks. The head is completely adjustable with different settings. That's it, real easy to do. I hope this helped, and if it did, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. And for more content, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to smile.